From Zero to Billionaire, the unconventional path to extreme wealth. In this blog post, we'll explore the unconventional path to extreme wealth and discuss the most important steps you can take to start your journey from zero to billionaire. 1. Thinking matters. Successful billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Amazon, and Elon Musk, Tesla and SpaceX, saw opportunities where others did not and took advantage of them. 2. Identify opportunities. Billionaires often have a deep understanding of their industry that allows them to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. 3. Continuous learning. Remember that not all risks are worth taking, but the willingness to take them can lead to extraordinary rewards. 4. Take calculated risks. Build a strong network. Networking is essential in business life. 5. Build a strong network. Create multiple streams of income. Diversify your sources of income. 6. Create multiple streams of income. Stay focused and persistent. Becoming a billionaire is not a quick or easy journey. 8. Stay focused and persistent. Think about how you can give back and make a difference in your community or around the world. 9. Give back and make a difference. So dare to dream big, work hard, and who knows, you could be the next self-made billionaire.